That's the one I'm looking for. That is the one that I was looking for the whole time. Let me zoom in right there and show you. Look at that over there. Look at that. That's what I'm looking for. And it's heading straight at us too. That's the best part, son. Look at the rain shot. Yo, that storm looks mean. That thing just blew up. So I'm a lot closer now, and there is a lot of rain shaft with that thing. Zoom into that. Oh, that looks so beautiful. It's a decent cell. I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty decent one. Zoom back out. Oh yeah, check that out. See the amble-shaped cloud, and I'm waiting for that baby over there. Look at the sun, and look at the rain shaft right next to it. That's the one I'm looking for. But that's the storm over there, and that's a beautiful sunset between the rain shaft. It should come down hard any second. It's coming down pretty good over here. It really is. I won't lie to myself. It's coming down pretty good. Just enjoying the rain out here. Didn't want to get into it, but this is the only route to get out. So sadly, I have to drive through the rain. That's pretty much it.